In this video, we will be seeing how to use cout in C++ program. So cout in C++ is nothing but it is a instance of output stream or OStream class. So before that, let's see how input and output is taken in C++. So in C++, the output and input operations will be happening in the form of streams, that is sequence of bytes. So in C++, input and output operations happen in sequence of bytes. So in like flow of sequence of bytes, uh, which is also called streams. So in C++, input and output operations happen in the form of sequence of bytes, that is streams. So it is also called streams. So cout is the standard output. It is used for standard output operation. So cout is nothing but cout is instance of OStream class. Now this OStream is part of IOStream. So this cout and cin, which are used for standard output and input operations, cout and cin are present in IOStream type, which is present in, which is contained in standard namespace. So the cin and cout both are present in IOStream, and this IOStream is present in standard namespace. So cout is used for output operations to insert data to the output stream, and cin is used for input operations. So now how to use cout. So cout is always used with insertion operator. So this insertion operator is represented using two opening angular brackets like this. This symbol is used for insertion operator for inserting data into the output stream. And cout along with this insertion operator we use to print the output. So cout like this and followed by the string to be printed. So here cout high means it will print high on output screen. Now suppose you want to print a variable. So because here the input and output operations will be happening in the form of streams. So here we don't require any format specifier. The format specifier is required in C language, but here in C++ we don't require it. And to print this variable, we can directly write cout A. No need of any format specifier in the C++ program. So variables can also be printed using cout followed by insertion operator and the variable name. And in case if you want to print a string and variable, then you can use cout insertion operator string high and again insertion operator and then variable name. And in case if you want spaces in between, then give a space using again double quotations and then this insertion operator. So this will be printing high, space and a value. So this way you can print a string and also a variable using cout in a C++ program. Now let's see it practically in a dev C++ IDE. So here I have already created a C++ file where I will be writing include IOStream as the first statement, and then I will be writing using namespace std. These two lines we are including so that we can use cout and cin from IOStream. So now I will be starting the main function, which is starting point of execution. Now here, first let's use cout to print hi. Now I will be compiling the program. So if any errors, it will be giving in the compile log. So we got 0 errors or warnings. Now run it. So it has printed hi on the output screen. Now if you want to print a variable, I am declaring here a variable a by value 90. So if you want to print a variable, then in place of this string without double quotations, just a we can write. So here you can see hi, and here I have written a. Now we compile and run at same time. Then I got hi printed by cout and 90 printed by second cout. To get a new line, we write endl. So execute, compile and run. The cursor will be moved to new line when we write endl. That's why we are getting in two different lines. Now if you want to print both the things in a same line, then you can use cout hi, the string, and then again the insertion operator. So if I just write like this, then again without any space, it will be printing hi and 90. Now in case if you want to give space, you can again write a space in a double quotations and then insertion operator. So a string, then insertion operator, a space, insertion operator, and a. You can also give here itself space, but if you want to give separately like this, you can give space. So compile and run. So this is by first cout, second cout, and this third cout is printing both the string and variable together. So this way we can make use of cout to print anything on the output screen. So we can print a variable and also a string on the output screen using cout, which is an instance of output stream.